two-stroke exhaust pipe cleaning procedure, a bamboo stick, a lighter, exhaust pipe with 1 cup of unleaded petrol bought from Sainsbury's with a piece of rag soaked in unleaded fuel. Quite simple really, the basics of science. Combustion. See what happens. As you can see, it's limited.
I'll get some matches. Need oxygen in there, Mark.
Yes, we need some oxygen in there. Second bamboo stick. Ratatouille! Oh, mama! We've been online and we've seen the various instructions on YouTube, so we're confident. We're confident it's dangerous. Ooh. Okay, that's part 1.
Get that glove out.
Part 2. Yeah. The smouldering rag is no more. Ooh. It's God of the Flames. Now what we need to do is muster up the hornet's nest, stir it up a little bit. Give it a little shake. Hopefully the unleaded fuel left in the pipe, stirring it up, will inflame the situation, literally. This comes of years of reading silently underneath the duvet at night. Pyromania. Ooh! See, the breeze from the south westerly wind has gone down to the pipe, up through, and induced the situation. Ooh, sorry. So only one thing remains. That is to add some more fuel.
Dangerous.
Dangerous. Wonderful. Brian's quite happy about it. Yeah. Nathan's happy. And the neighbours at number 24. They're loving it. Wow! An extra 3 horsepower! No, it's not warm enough.
More fuel.
More fuel needed, yeah.
Open the main jet.
Yeah, let's open it up a little bit.
You put a K&N filter on that, you'll get a much better burn.
Have a little bit of juice.
Decidedly dodgy. bicycles.
It's okay, everything's fine. I have done this before. And I had instructions from Dan at Costa Coffee. Exactly what to do. Plus I've got eye protection and ear protection. There's just no brain protection. Of course, this is the cheaper petrol, cheap Sainsbury's unleaded. If I'd gone for the top notch value, yeah. Oh dear, be careful of that O-ring. So we're just burning off the oil in the pipe after the main oil seal in the crankcase had burst its banks and chucked a load of engine oil through the exhaust port. This, hence the flame, is where we need to be in life, to burn off any excess juice. Ah! Oh yeah! Take it away, boy!
Why don't you put your lips on the silver end and blow?
Yeah. Why don't I?
Do that again.
There she blows. Nathan, quick! I can do you a quick hair job. You ready? Can you whistle a little tune for me? Shim shiminy, shim shiminy, shim shim sharoo.
Oh!
Well,
Quick! Nathan, bucket of water!
Fire! Fire!
Hose pipe! Hose pipe!
Thank you! Should put on petrol, that's okay. Okay, it's okay. Okay. We'll leave it to burn out. Fine. Okay, it's all off. I'm so sorry. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen. That shouldn't have happened. It's a complete mistake. Too much blowing and enthusiasm. We have had to cancel this whole process. It's off. I'm sorry. Good night. Thanks, mate. Oh my loving. Oh my god. I just don't know what to say, people. Oh no. Yeah. Okay. Well, it's what's more commonly known as a blowback. I'm sorry. Don't play with fire. Alright? Don't do it. You're naughty. Don't muck about. This one goes to Ben Small.